a screw with a wing nut located at the bottom of the shelf, which is placed for removable access on the shelf. Remove the wing nuts on each side. The shelf will come off so that you can place the monitor inside. If you have already installed your camera, it can stay on there. Then the shelf just comes out. You might just take off the hard shoe, anything else that's connected to it, and you pull it down, and the shelf comes out. Set it to the side. Now we get to the normal monitor, which will have to be placed in upside down. And you go in an angle, like so. Just turn it, and then you dip forward a little bit like that. Bring it up and place in front of the brackets. So. And after doing so, you want to push it to the left because the power button is on your right here. And then that's it. And then you just, the same way you took the shelf out, you place it right back in. But notice that you need to go. Some people put it back on top, which throws it off because it was made to be put under. And for easier, place the screw in first. That way you can find the hole on the shelf, place it through. The same with the other side. Find the hole, and just like that, your monitor's in place.